how MSPs can build a technician feedback loop for SOP refinement. MSPs rely on strong standard operating procedures, or SOPs, runbooks, and AI-assisted knowledge bases to keep daily work running smoothly. The technicians who use these resources every day should have a simple way to suggest updates, flag inaccuracies, and improve documentation. In this video, we'll show you how to build an effective technician feedback loop. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Step 1. Clarify feedback intent. The first step is to set clear expectations about the kind of feedback you're looking for. Technicians should know exactly what type of input they can share. This helps prevent hesitation and avoids feedback that's too vague to use. Encourage them to focus on areas such as, are there any confusing or outdated steps, especially ones that no longer match your current tools or processes? Is there missing context or edge cases that need more detail to avoid confusion? Are there formatting issues, like unclear screenshots, broken links, or inconsistent terminology? Step 2. Embed feedback capture mechanisms. Next, build feedback directly into your documentation. Add simple prompts within your SOPs so technicians can share input while they're actively using the procedure. Here are a few practical ways to make that happen. Inline comments or suggestions. Use built-in tools in platforms like Confluence, Word, or Google Docs so technicians can highlight a step and leave feedback right where the issue appears. Ticket note integration. Ask technicians to leave a note in the ticket if they run into issues while following an SOP. These can be reviewed later as part of your feedback process. Step 3. Adopt iterative, small-scale review cycles. Many organizations still rely on large annual documentation reviews. However, in fast-changing IT environments, documentation should be reviewed continuously through smaller, recurring review cycles. But that often becomes overwhelming, gets pushed aside, and leaves technicians working with outdated instructions. Instead, break reviews into smaller, more manageable cycles. This reduces the workload and keeps documentation current. Here are a few actions to consider. Review in small batches. Tackle 1 or 2 SOPs at a time so the process stays manageable. Prioritize high-impact SOPs. Start with the procedures your team uses most often, especially those tied to recurring issues. Step 4. Facilitate collaborative feedback workshops. Another helpful approach is to host short, collaborative workshops where technicians, automation specialists, and documentation owners review SOPs together. This helps surface blind spots, validate procedures, and improve consistency across teams. Step 5. Track and prioritize feedback. Once feedback is collected, it needs to be organized and acted on. Create a simple, structured tracker to keep everything clear and make the process easier to manage. Step 6. Close the loop publicly. Finally, make sure to close the loop. Acknowledge technician feedback and clearly communicate any updates you make. This builds trust and encourages continued participation. SOP management should be an ongoing team effort, not a one-time task. By gathering input, holding regular reviews, running workshops, tracking feedback, and closing the loop, MSPs can keep their SOPs accurate and practical. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to build a technician feedback loop linked in the description below.